Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we will cover the concept of basics of algebra. This is the part 1 of the video where I will introduce you how to write the terms, how to express them in the mathematical statement and furthermore. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let us begin with some basic fundamental concepts on algebra. So let us see of what are the various guidelines we need to remember. So algebra is a generalized arithmetic. Whenever we are expressing anything in the generalized manner, it is called generalized arithmetic. लेटर्स यूज टू रिप्रेजेंट नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड लिटरल्स. जो हम लेटर्स को अज्यूम करेंगे, जैसे हमने स्मॉल एक्स, स्मॉल वाई, स्मॉल जेड, ए बी सी एल एम एन पी क्यू, एनीथिंग, any alphabet of your choice, these are called literals. So all of you please remember, first point is algebra is a generalized arithmetic. This statement will help you to attempt the multiple choice questions or fill in the blanks. The literals obey all the rules and the signs of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If I say 3 multiplied by x, that means I am want to say that 3x. If 1 is multiplied to x, it is simply x because anything multiplied with 1 gives the number itself. Similarly, if I multiply x with 5, I get 5x. So in 4x, we have 4 as the numeral factor and x as the literal factor. So friends, I would like to introduce you the two terms here. First is numeral factor and next is literal factor. Literal factors are in the form of alphabets, right? And numeral factors are the coefficients in front of this. So for example, here 5 is the literal factor, right? Here 3 is a literal factor. Okay. A combination of constants and variables using any of the signs plus and subtraction or the combination of these signs is called an algebraic expression. Now how to frame an algebraic expression we will understand in this video. A statement of equality which involves one or more variables is called an equation. जब किसी एक्सप्रेशन में एक या एक से ज्यादा वेरिएबल्स होते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं इक्वेशन. So in this we have understood three major basic points for algebra. First is algebra is a generalized arithmetic. Second, it has numeral factor as well as a literal factor. And literal factors are expressed in the form of literal factors. And when we have all these constants and variables, we frame an algebraic expression. And if the statement equality has one or more variables, it is called an equation. Right? Alright. So let us start with the first question. It says 6 less than a number equals to 2. Now in this, the value which is unknown to us, we will assume that value say x. So my first solution to this question will be, let the number be x. Right. Now it says 6 less than. Less means subtraction. Right. So ATQ means according to the question. 6 less than. So obviously than means the number will come first. Yes. And less means subtraction and 6 equals to 2. Obviously we have assumed the number to be x. So therefore my algebraic expression will become x minus 6 equal to 2. Right. If my question had asked me, so this is called as algebraic expression. I think this is very easy. Oh, alright. Let us start with the second question. Write an algebraic expression. So in this video, we are basically understanding how to write algebraic equations. Once you are clear with the concept of algebraic equations or expressions, we can carry forward to the solutions of this in the next part of the video. Alright. So let us see for the first one. Again it says write an algebraic expression for each of the following. So 3 is subtracted from a number y. So in the question, we cannot assume the number to be x. We have to assume the number to be y. So let me write, let the number be y, right? So then my ATQ statement, that means my according to question, because question has asked me to write the algebraic expression. So it's subtracted from the number. From means first the number will come and then the 3. So this is my first answer. If I talk about the second one, 5 is added to the 3 times of the number x. Now here they have told me that the number is not y, the number has been changed. So the number has become, let the number be x. Alright. Now after this, let me write my ATQ statement. It says 5 is added to 3 times of the number. So this has become the second algebraic expression. So we have got first answer A part and second is here. So with this, I hope we have written the algebraic expressions of both the parts. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज लाइक जरूर करें. बढ़ते हैं सेकंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन की तरफ. Write an algebraic expression for the following expressions. Now this has a bit an advanced version of question number 2. So let me see what is the question is asking me to write. The sum of a number x and 4 is double. So there is a number x, sum means addition, 4 and it says it is double. Doubled means it is multiplied by 2. Alright. Now B part says 1/4 of a number x. So number is 1/4 means 1 by 4 is added to 1/3 of the same number. Yes, so we have got two things, 1/4 of the number and 1/3 of the number. Alright, now this question 4. I want you all to write the answers in the comment section after solving this question. Let me frame the algebraic expression for all of you. Think of a number x. So my first statement will become, let the number be x. Multiply it by 3. So question is asking me to do that. I am multiplying the number x with 3 and add 5 to the product. Product means d multiplied by x is 5 plus the product and subtract y subsequently. Now subsequently word means just after. Generally it is saying that from, but here is saying y subsequently. So what my answer statement, what my algebraic expression has become, 3x plus 5 minus y. So this is my final answer. Okay. Now I've got one hot question for you, making this video very short and crisp. So this is basically kind of a word problem which most of you must be seeing, and my next video will be based on such word problems. In this I have explained you how we can frame the algebraic expressions. In the next video I will show you how we can solve the framed algebraic expression. Anshika's score is science in 15 more than 2/3 of her score in Sanskrit. If she scores X marks in Sanskrit, find her score in science. Okay. Now this question is a bit tricky question. There is a girl, Anshika. She has got 15 more than 2/3 of the score in Sanskrit. Now let us assume that her score in Sanskrit be X. Let the score of Anshika in Sanskrit be X, right? Then science, then score in science will be क्या 15 more than 2/3 of the score in Sanskrit. Find her score in science. कैसे ढूंढेंगे भाई? We have made an algebraic statement so that says 15 plus 2 by 3 of x. So we have made an answer to write an algebraic expression. Now, in the comment section, I want you to solve this 15 plus 2 upon 3x and tell me what answer will I get. That means I have not completed this question. You have to find her score in science. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe my channel for more updates. You can find us on Facebook as Learn Easy. Share this video with your friends.